Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Today, I want to highlight a truly awe-inspiring category of plant compounds called polyphenols. These are the miracle workers of our bodies, and they're found across all plant-based foods: fruits, vegetables, beans, whole grains, mushrooms, nuts, and seeds. So what makes them so amazing? There are two invaluable things about polyphenols that I want you to remember. If you commit these two polyphenol benefits to memory, I know it will inspire you to eat more of the foods that give you the highest amount. Stay tuned for that in a second. So the two things I want you to remember are, number one, polyphenols are like rocket fuel for your good gut bugs. They support the health and growth of beneficial bacteria, the good guys in your gut, while also helping to get rid of the harmful disease-causing bacteria. A healthy gut means better digestion, immunity, mental health, and overall wellness. And number two, polyphenols activate powerful anti-aging circuits in your body. These compounds ignite the sirtuin pathways, which are responsible for cellular repair, renewal, and regeneration. Think of polyphenols as a reboot for your body, helping you feel younger and healthier. So how do polyphenols work this anti-aging magic? It's through a process called hormesis, as you see spelled on the screen. Plants produce polyphenols when they're under stress, and when we eat these stress polyphenol-rich plants, our own body's defenses infer a stress signal, sparking healing and health resiliency in us. Hormesis is a concept you'll hear more about as time goes on. It's the same principle behind other trending anti-aging and healing practices like cold plunging, heat exposure, think saunas and hot yoga, intermittent fasting, and breathwork techniques like Wim Hof breathing. In summary, polyphenols are incredible for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome and keeping us younger and disease-free. And now for the fun part, the foods that contain the highest concentration of these miracle workers. The polyphenol superstar foods include dark chocolate, green and black tea, red wine, of course in moderation, extra virgin olive oil, berries, pomegranates, cherries, currants, artichoke hearts, citrus fruit, apples, plums, red grapes, walnuts, kiwi, and mushrooms. And coffee. Almost forgot about coffee. Now that is one delicious list. We included a link to this list in the body of this email so you can print it and post it on your fridge. Please share this video with your friends and loved ones. After all, the gift of better health is one of the greatest gifts you can give. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.